Greetings. I will always expect that you have gone through all different problems of the question papers carefully. In this question, RMS value of potential difference across L is 40 volts, RMS value of voltage across the capacitor is 10 volts, and RMS value of voltage across the resistor is 40 volts. For your benefit, let I redraw this circuit for you. Here is RLC circuit in series connected across an AC source. RMS value of voltage is not given in this problem, but as per the problem, the RMS value of voltage across the resistor is 40 volts. RMS value of voltage across the inductor is 40 volts, and RMS value of the voltage across the capacitor is equals to 10 volts. The amplitude of current flowing through the RCL series combination is 10√2. So the amplitude of current flowing through the circuit is given. So I will prefer saying that the RMS value of current flowing through the circuit, this is equals to I0 by √2, and this is equals to 10√2 divided by √2, and this is equals to 10 amperes. Now next, net voltage across the series combination V, that should be given by a square root of VR square plus VL minus VC whole square, and I would like to remind you this should be the RMS value of the voltage, and this is further equals to, substitute the values, this is equals to 40 whole square plus 40 minus 10 whole square, this is equals to 40 square plus 30 square, and hence this value got to be 50 volts. Now next, we know the RMS value of potential difference across the series combination. We also know the RMS value of current flowing through the series combination, and hence the impedance of the circuit between these 2 points should be given by VRMS upon IRMS. This is the net impedance, and this got to be 40 volts upon 10 amperes, and this is equals to 5 ohm, and hence correct answer is 5 ohm. Apart from knowing that the impedance of the circuit is 5 ohm, you should also be slightly careful in noting down that the value of VL is more than VC. So it means that the current lags voltage, and by what angle current lags voltage you should be able to calculate.